Okay, welcome back to my channel. And my first experience is the unboxing, my first time mystery pack. This one. And now I'm gonna open it. USB cord. Wow! Yung palat ng USB cord na matibay. Ow! Ungrip. USB light. Cable protector. Pwede naman, it might use. Ito naman, walang kwenta. Ito naman, meron naman akong kalito na dalawang USB light. Hindi ko kaya makakamit to talaga. Ito yung pwedeng taktakan ng laptop or pwede sa wall socket ng charger na mga cellphone. Wala na. Hindi nananalo ng phone or and other content. Yung naka-plastic, it means hindi mahalata ng box ng cellphone. Kailangan ng naka-box para marami naman na sa loob ng box. Matibay. Parang mahal ng USB cord kasi yung palat na matibay. Parang protective. Uncrypt. Dito lang talaga magagamit ng uncrypt to. Tumikip. That is. So, sa next mystery band, pipili ako ulit next time. So, mapaplug ako ng second mystery band. And this is my first time. That's all. Bye-bye.